Hey agency owners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to give you my key tips to writing captivating email subject lines that have high open rates and will help you to get more clients for your SMMA. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I run a multi-million-dollar agency with clients across the world, including the USA, the UK, and Europe. Over the last 12 months, we've done over $1.8 million. We've done nearly $4 million in the last 3 years, and I'm on a mission to help you guys be as successful as we've been by teaching you everything that I know through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the key to writing captivating email subject lines that have high open rates is creating intrigue. Here's an example of an email subject line that's going to create intrigue and is going to get people opening the email. Something as simple as, "Oh no." Right? If you saw that, if that landed in your inbox, you're going to think, oh my God, like what's happened? I don't recognize this person's name, but it sounds serious. I better open this, right? Or another one could be, I honestly can't believe this is happening! Exclamation mark. And again, that's going to create intrigue. You're going to be thinking something bad happened, like what's going on here? And it's going to force people to open it. Another one is a question. For example, is this you? Question mark. And you might not recognize the name, but you think, oh my God, like somebody found something about me on the internet, or, somebody hacked me, maybe one of my social media profiles, and maybe somebody's reaching out because somebody hacked my profile and I messaged them. I better open this up. Is this you? What's this about? So creating that little bit of drama, like, oh no, or is this you? Those kind of subject lines are the kind of thing that grabs people's attention, creates that bit of drama, creates that bit of intrigue, and really pushes people to open them. And you could say, oh man, well, that's like clickbait or whatever. Actually, look, this is the world of marketing. Everybody's doing it. So it's one of those really. You either don't and you're the guy and the girl that loses out, or you do and you see more success. It's entirely up to you. And then just for example, you can follow a subject line like, I honestly can't believe this is happening. You can follow that subject line in the actual email body with like, I can't believe this is happening. We've just generated 10K for one of our clients who's a dental practice owner like yours. It's amazing. Would you like us to do this for you too? So it kind of ties up, right? Is this you? Let's go back to, is this you as a subject mark? That's going to prompt people to open it because they think, oh, like what's going on here? Has something happened? Is this you? And so they open that up and you can say, is this you? Are you a chiropractor looking to take on another 20 patients this month? Is this you? If it is you, message me back and let's get you scheduled in for a sales call, right? So you can lean on that subject line, which on its own creates that intrigue, that urge to kind of open it up. You can kind of tie that in with an email body that makes sense. So that is my kind of quick video on email subject lines for SMMA, for marketing agencies that are looking to get higher open rates. Create some drama, create some intrigue, and you are going to get more people opening your emails, and then tie that subject line in then with your email main body text, which actually makes some sense and ties up with the actual subject line itself. I hope that you found that helpful and useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified of when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with agency overhaul on a one-on-one basis so that we can help you to take your agency to that next level, head down to the description below for more information. See you on the next video. Cheers.